All right, we got the fire going.
We're coming right up.
What do you want to do? Okay guys, we're back in the campsite. So we got back from what's it, Joshua Tree. So now we're back at the campsite. Tiger, it's sun setting, so the sun's setting, guys, and it's a beautiful evening. It's about 5 o'clock. No, maybe 6 o'clock. So it's beautiful. Let's go check out the lake, guys. The little pond. Yeah. Yeah, hang on, babe. Look at this, guy. This is cool. Whoa.
Going to another world.
Let's go to another world, guys. Tiger, look at this. Come look at this. Another world. Wow. All right, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hi, baby. Come on. Brother, let's go. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, Tiger. Yeah. Come on, brother. Now we're going back to the RV, guys. Now we're going back to the RV. Let's go, guys. Hi, Tiger. That's fun, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Cool lights. Awesome lights. Wow. Hey, buddy. Come on, baby. Let's go, Tiger. Oh yeah, that's it. This way, baby. This way, come on. Yesterday. All right, we got the fire going. Yes. Mommy's eating. Tiger, you cold? Oh, it's cool. They got a light. Mommy, look.
Did you set it up?
Yeah, it's done already.
It's ready?
Yeah.
What do you want for Christmas?
Hey, Santa. Santa with the GoPro. Santa with the GoPro. Oh, baby? Oh, no, not Tiger, right? I don't know if you can see it, but you small bats. Look, small bats. You see it? I don't know if you see it right there. Look at little bats. I see this. It should be right there. This. Oh, it's a full moon. The bat's coming out. That was cool, guys. So, little bat flying around. Tiger loves bat. Look. See them? They're flying around. They coming back. He comes back. There you go. There you go. He got the bat right there. Right there. I see. Oh, I see. There's a bat there. There you go. There you go. Whoa! See the bat? Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, that's a bat?
Yeah, it's a bat.
There's a bull.
Yeah, look, it's a bat. See? Whoa! The vampire bat.
Who knew there were bats over here?
Yeah, the bats in the desert.
How come a bat's here by itself though?
They fly so fast.
Oh, what?
See it there, the bat's right there.
Oh, that. No, oh, yeah, that is.
Yeah, it's
Are
a bat.
you sure?
Yeah, it's a bat.
That
Yeah.
does fly like a bat.
Yeah, see? They fly fast. Look. Yeah, they're catching bugs right now. Right there. There they go.
Oh, wow, that is a bat. Not so hard
Yeah.
to read. No, it can't just put down on me. A bat? Wait, it can't.
Bats, guys, look. There you go. There you go. Out of focus. Happy birthday.
Because I come out, I grab my teeth like this. Mine's right now.
We plug that in. Oh, you don't need to plug it in. It's battery operated.
Yeah.
Turn on, Hopper. Turn on.
Whose birthday is this?
Your daddy.
Daddy and Addie.
Daddy, yeah.
Lift it up. See, Harper? Oh, lift it up.
Lift it up. There we go.
What?
Happy birthday, dude.
It's missing.
Oh, what? Hurry, hold on.
What
Oh, there's B at.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
Yeah.
Mom.
You want me to do it, me? You want me to do it? Are you okay?
Oh my God, it's the actual bat. Let me see. This is pretty tall.
I'm telling you, be careful.
Mom. What, Harper?
Oh, I got it. You want to hold
Hey,
it?
Mom, I'm gonna have a Capri Sun. No. Yeah, okay. That's after dinner, dude. No.
What happened to you, Tiger?
I'm having it right.
What happened, Tiger?
Huh?
You okay?
I need to borrow your phone. Oh, it's on the dangle. Where's
Okay.
your phone at?
It's birthday.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
No, it's sparking.
I know it's sparking, but you're not sparking on Tinder.
What's Tinder?
Tinder's like the dry weeds and stuff.
Yep.
You're trying to
This?
spark. No, you're trying to spark a starter log. That's not gonna work.
How about paper?
I mean, you can try, but
We'll be here all night.
I know. When we go camping, that's the time to try this.
There you go.
Do what? What do you want to do?
Yeah.
Underneath that sofa right there, where you're sitting. Where you're going to sit. See him? There's a goldfish. Lift up the couch.
Nope. No, whoa. Okay, shh. Cheetos chip. Cool.
Well, that's a fire, baby.
Come on.
Get the lighter, go let it. Your sister wants to light the fire. Ready?
Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Maybe.
Huh?
There you go. Robin. You gotta blow it up? Hi, Hopper. Hello, Hopper. What you doing? Hey, baby. What you doing, baby? We got the lights.
Bro, do I have to use this?
We got the lights. Where's Tiger? Let's see Tiger. Where's Tiger? Where's Tiger? Where's Tiger?
You know what's better is the magnesium. Will you grind it?
Yeah, you put the straw in.
Grind the magnesium. Really?
Go, Tristan. Come on, baby. Wanna come down? Okay, ready, go. What do you want to do? Yeah. Tiger, your turn.
Oh, I
Tiger.
don't know where the balloon I could do.
Lennon.
Huh?
Lennon.
Got one.
Oh yeah. Mom, you got it? Baby.
Alright, Big Saber coming right up.
Come on. Do some.
I want it back.
Do dance. Do dance. I'm doing techno. I'm putting music techno to it.
Oh.
No. What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.